Okay. So this is a bummer. Apparently there was a little bit of moisture leaking from the low water cutoffs. I think maybe on both sides. No, this side's okay. Just on this side. So it got toasted. Especially on this end. And we're somehow gonna have to try to make this unit work without this like nice zone board. Basically just tie everything in straight through. Apparently these are all fused locations. And maybe we can leave some of these in place, I'm not sure. Auxiliary, but it'll be, I don't think it'll be very fun getting this to work. The problem is they don't make this lower piece anymore, it's obsolete. So we can't just get a new one of these jumper boards and install new stuff. We have to somehow make this work, which is really quite a bummer. Crusty. This is such a mess, but we've just been tying everything in. So these two are the actual power coming in. This ground wire is going to need to get tied into all these other ground wires. And then we had our auxiliary pump, which is where these two wires are going. And then over here, we just had to tie together this brown and this orange. Orange is for the auto reset limit, and the brown is for the manual reset limit. And then everything else we just insulated. Over here though, we have to get this white wire, this red wire, and this black wire tied into the top middle and bottom to left on here, but as you can see that plug's starting to come apart, so I gotta do it really carefully because all those wires are white little communication wires, so it's kind of a pain because if I get confused about which one's which, it's gonna be a problem. See, I don't want this one, and I don't want these three are the ones I don't want. Those three are the ones that I do want. And I'm just going to have to do away with the plug because it's all coming to pieces. So I'll cut these off. So I just reviewed the video. It turns out I actually do want this one. So this one is going to be black. So we're going to hook this one up to the black right away here. So here it is with everything all either insulated or hooked up as it was supposed to be, and then I screwed the control up a little bit and bent it out so that this stops dripping on it for now, but we're going to be replacing that hopefully soon. And this is just sitting down here. I put a new ground lug in right there, and I'm just going to leave this here. It's kind of like the answer key explaining the history of the system. Oh, what a mess though.